Hey everyone, and welcome back to this week's video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your dream capsule wardrobe and never be stuck to put together an outfit. So before I get started with all of my pieces that I have to show you, I do want to mention today's sponsor of this video, which is Lilysilk. Now you all know that I have worked with Lilysilk before. I absolutely love all of the pieces that they have. They have such luxurious, classy pieces, and I do love as well that they do contribute to zero waste. So any of the fabrics that they have left over, they make like silk eye masks, and they also make the hair scrunchies as well. So I am actually wearing Lilysilk right now, and I will have all the pieces that I'm mentioning linked down below in the description box. So the first thing that I am wearing is this gorgeous cowl neck. I really wanted to invest in one of these pieces in my wardrobe because I don't have any cowl necks, and I know that cowl necks are really classy. You've seen them on a lot of like movies and like movies from the 90s, and especially Gossip Girl as well. I've seen a lot on there, so that is why I mainly wanted to pick up this top. It is so soft and so comfortable, and I love that it's double lined on the front, so you don't actually have to wear a bra if you don't want with this top, because it is like a halter neck kind of cowl neck top. And the detailing on the back is just gorgeous. It ties up in a knot, and then the top part of your back is exposed. It's really sexy, and it would be perfect for like a date night outfit. My pants are also from Lilysilk. They are these gorgeous satin rose gold trousers. Another piece that is a must-have in a capsule wardrobe is a pair of trousers. It really feels like you're just wearing sweater pants or even like pajamas, like silk pajamas. And there is gorgeous details with the button on these trousers and the pockets. You always have to have pockets in a good trouser. I pair them up with my loafers, but you can also pair this outfit with a little simple heel. And of course, mulberry silk has loads of natural benefits for your skin. It's not going to be itchy on your skin. Your skin isn't going to feel trapped, especially in the summertime and spring when it's getting a little bit warmer. You don't want your skin to feel like closed in and get too warm, because that's when your skin can develop like body acne. I did also pick up one of their gorgeous bras. Let me just unbox this and show you. The packaging is also really gorgeous. So this is what the bra looks like. I picked it up in my size, which is a 34B, in case anyone was wondering. I don't know how I'm a B. For some reason I thought that I would be a C, but apparently I'm a B. So yeah. So I picked up the nude shade, and this does come in a black as well. It's the perfect fit. Like, I honestly didn't realize how much I was missing out on like good quality bras. I had one previously from Dunn Stores and it never fit properly, whereas this one really hugs your body and it just feels like another skin. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything that's uncomfortable. So if you were looking to invest in a bra, definitely go and check out this one, because I can honestly say it is one of the best bras that I've owned, even better than like any other like top high-end brands out there, and I cannot wait to start wearing this bra. I'm definitely going to pick it up in the black shade as well, so I have like two color choices. So don't forget to go and check out Lilysilk. I will have all of the links in the description box below, as I said, and you can also get 15% off with my code JADE15. So now let's get into some of the pieces that you need in your wardrobe if you want to develop a capsule wardrobe and have all the pieces that you need and never be stuck to put together an outfit. I was just so tired of having pieces that I couldn't pair up well with other things in my wardrobe. So when I buy something now, I always think, can I wear this with at least 5 to 6 outfits? And if I can't, then I'm not going to buy it. Honestly, I went through this phase of buying a lot of tweed like sets from Zara, and I soon realized that once I wore them like once in a picture, I could never really wear them again unless I wait a year and then pull it back out. So now my goal is to buy pieces that I can wear over and over again. So let's get into it. I just want to start off with shoes first. Loafers in general are such a staple to have. I have these in a black pair and always go for the gold hardware because it looks more, you know, luxurious. And then I have this cream pair, and I honestly wear these with everything. These are the only two shoes that I always just whip out and pair up with any outfit, like jeans, trousers, shorts, literally everything. So I have these pair of neutral trousers, which I did pick up last summer, and they are perfect to wear with any top, even the top that I'm wearing right now. I just love being able to mix and match. So let me give you some more examples here. I have these pair of leggings as well, another staple. And what I'll do is if I see something that I really like, I will pick it up in the other colour. So I did actually do a funny TikTok on this. That is just my thing. I always pick up like 2 or 3 colours in the same item. So I have these leggings in, they're kind of like jodhpurs. I have them in a cream shade and a black shade, which of course is essential. Neutral colours never go out of style. And then for more trousers, I also love cord sets. So things that you can mix and match tops and the pants that come in the cord. So I have these 2 soft trousers here, which are perfect for like even coming into springtime and like fall and winter. I will do an updated version of this video when I have a lot of like summer stuff in my wardrobe. I couldn't mention ends and bottoms without mentioning a good pair of jeans. Now I personally think a straight fit jean is the most flattering. So I just have this pair here, and they are kind of like dark wash, but you can pick up a light wash as well for coming into spring and summertime. But I personally don't own that many skirts, so I do own a lot of shorts, and I find that I wear shorts with a lot of stuff in my wardrobe. So the best thing to do is have 3 different colours. So I have a camel shade, I have a cream white shade, and then I have this black kind of tweedy material. The other 2 are for more summertime. But yeah, just any neutral shorts are perfect to go with things in your wardrobe, and coming into spring summer you're never going to be stuck for anything to pair up with like a simple plain top, because you can layer up. So I'm sure you all know by now I do love a good coat, and I actually have developed a coat collection over the years. I did recently leave a few go and just keep the essentials. So this one here is a cape, and I think this is definitely essential. I've seen capes a lot in Gossip Girl and Pretty Little Liars, 2 of my favourite shows. So of course I had to own one of my own. I couldn't get the actual one that she wore in Gossip Girl, but this one is pretty good. So I think a black cape or coat is perfect. Now I have to say another staple has to be a camel coat. This one I've worn so much over the past few months. I literally put this on every time I go out the door. Another thing as well is a nice trench coat. I do want to pick up one for coming into springtime, but I haven't seen a nice one yet, so I am still on the lookout for that. And then of course you all know that I love my blazers, so if you pick this one up in a camel, a black and a cream or white, you are set and good to go. You can also get a chocolate brown, and you're just never going to be in trouble. Like if you want something that's light but not too heavy to put over a nice shirt, a blazer is your go-to. And they go really nice as well with jeans, I must say, like light wash jeans coming into like spring summertime. I am a lover of shirts. I truly believe that a nice outfit needs a shirt, and they are great for layering as well. You can put like sweater vests over them, and I will be showing you some of those as well. I completely stopped buying crop tops. They're just not for me. They're not something that you need in your capsule wardrobe. Do not be tempted if you see crop tops. So shirts like these are just so classic. You can pair any stripy shirt underneath a sweater vest, underneath a blazer, so they're just a great layering piece. So I have a few more to show you, but of course I have to get a pink one. I need a pink one in my collection, and this one is also from Lilysilk, from one of my past videos, and I absolutely love it. It's just this gorgeous silk, and it has a little pussy bow on the front. So next you need a blue shirt in your wardrobe. Seriously, you cannot put together a nice classic outfit, especially for springtime. You're going for like coffee on a Sunday morning, you're walking around the park. That's the kind of vibe that I get from like a blue shirt. And again here I have another pussy bow shirt. This one is in cotton, so I would recommend to pick up silk and cotton material in your shirts because it's the best material to have. So now that I've showed you all of my coloured shirts, now we're moving on to the white shirt. The absolute most staple piece that you need in your wardrobe, in your capsule wardrobe should I say. So this one here is a pussy bow one, and then I also have this one. This is a linen shirt, which it can wrinkle very easily, but it's more one of those things that you wear underneath like jackets and jumpers, just like a layering piece. So definitely a linen shirt is an essential to have. Moving on to the kind of more detailed shirts. So this one has this like ruffle going down the front, and this is perfect to pair up if you're wearing a blazer and you can just like have the ruffles showing out the front. So that is what I normally wear these type of shirts with. And you also have to have a silk white shirt. It is another great layering piece again, and I really do love having this in my collection. And lastly, you definitely want to have an oversized cotton shirt, and this is perfect to wear with sweater vests. You can wear this as a kind of longer, like almost like a dress shirt, and wear shorts underneath that you can't really see. So again, it is another essential to have in my capsule wardrobe. So this essential is more for winter and autumn. You definitely want to have a nice turtleneck. This one is also from Lilysilk, and of course again you need to get these in all the classic colours, so camel, white, black, and kind of like a lighter beige as well is a really nice colour to have. So here is two more turtlenecks that I have in the black and a cream kind of colour. And as I mentioned, cord sets are perfect because they come with tops and pants, so you can mix and match these tops. Again, they are very neutral colours. I'm pretty sure they had like black versions as well, so I can just reuse these in spring, summer, and then I can wear them in autumn, winter with blazers or coats. So it is another perfect piece to own. So lastly, some pieces that I only introduced this autumn winter into my wardrobe has been sweater vests. I've never owned any of these and I feel like I was really missing out. So I have this pink one here that's kind of like this cable knit material. Then I have it in the cream, of course. Then I have this one which is a little bit more of a thicker kind of material, and it has a v-neck, so I can wear like any shirt underneath this and have like the kind of bow sticking out. Then I also have it in this beige colour, which is perfect to layer over like classic white dresses if you have like a shirt dress. And one thing that I haven't mentioned, I don't actually have to show you, is some basic dresses. I do have a nice white one actually. It's just like a shirt kind of white dress. And then you should also own a kind of silk dress. I know Lilysilk again does one, a lot of places do. That's just classic that you can rewear like 10 times and nobody will know that it is the same dress, because you can style it with different like shoes, different bags, different jewellery, and even like a different hairstyle and makeup can completely change the look of a dress or an outfit. So that's all the pieces that I have to show you today. Don't forget to go and check out the Lilysilk website as I mentioned in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspo and some tips to level up your capsule wardrobe and never be like fed up. You know that scene in Clueless when she's like, I have nothing to wear? That has been me for many years, and since I changed to a capsule wardrobe, I am never ever stuck to put together an outfit when I have these pieces. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next week's video, which will be a Valentine's weekend vlog. So I'm really excited to film that and show you all what we get up to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.